Welcome everyone back to a raw and uncut video. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you the best strategy. Now, I don't know how many people are going to view this, but this is like an undiscovered strategy that I made, and this is probably like one of those videos that gets no views, but will literally change your life. So stay tuned through the end, all right? So it's going to rely off order blocks. All you're going to do is you're going to wait for market to just wait, all right, make higher highs, higher lows, and hit a bullish or bearish order block. So this is my terrible drawing of my order block. So here's my order block. It hits, right? Now, normally you hit at, or you take a trade at the first touch of the order block with higher time frame confirmation, right? If you trade ICT concepts. So go here, and then you would, right, target either the swing high or another swing high, right here. But no, this strategy is consist of the second touch. Now I'm gonna show you how this works, all right? So it touches the order block, right? It has to be the first touch too, or you enter in off the second touch. So it goes here, and then it's going back to touch again. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna set your stop loss very below the last time it hit, so how far down it hit, right? So this is how far down it hit the first time. So I'm setting my stop loss very much below. And it's always, if you can get it at the end of the stop loss, if you can get the stop loss at the end of the order block or more, that would be great. Higher win rate, right? So all you're gonna do is you set your stop loss right there, and you set your take profit to how high it went last time, which was right here. So right here, okay, let me grab my tool. This is how high it went on the order block last time. And this is when you enter. Okay? Right there. You enter at the start of the order block, by the way. But if you still get in when it's inside the order block, enter in right there, because that's even great. Yeah, right? You can set your stop loss right here, and it'll be even lower, and you'll get even more profits. So that is literally it. That's all you're doing. You're just trading the double touch of the order block. All right. So I'm going to actually show you this on an actual chart so you can see what I'm talking about. So here we have USD CAD. Okay. And this is a trade that I took. It's on a funded account. I'll actually show proof of this at the end of the video, but it's on a funded account, and it's a 100K challenge. So I'm going to pass this challenge in 2 trades. If you want a risk management video too, I'll be posting that after this one too. So how it works is, right, this is a bearish order block. It hits once, it goes down. This is how far down it went. Then you wait for it to just go back up, hit again. All right, I actually remember I told you how if you enter inside of the order block, that's even better too. Well, I actually kind of missed out on the alert that I set right here, and I entered in a little late. It worked out in my favor. I made even more. I made $300 extra. So you're gonna set your stop loss right above the last time, how high it went into the order block or how low it went into the order block. So my stop loss was right there. How high it went was right here. All right. And then you're gonna target how low it went, which was right here. Well, it actually went as low as right here, but I had a feeling that that was news. So just to stay on the safe side, I put my take profit right here, which I should have put it right there because I still would have gotten it, right? And that was it. I made $5 grand on this trade. I risked $1,000 on the 100K challenge, and I made $5 grand. Now, let me show you on the next trade I took, or I'm actually in this trade right now. So, show you. Grab a little circle. So it touched right here. By the way, if it goes in the order block and then it goes a little bit out and then it goes back in, that's not a second touch. Okay. It has to actually go like right here. It has to be a pretty big, like not big, but it has to be a nice move. So here's when it touched the first time, and here is how low it went. correct? Right here. So you're going to target it right there. I should actually move my take profit right here. Or no, I'm not going to move it. The reason why I'm not going to move it is I'm going to make 10 grand on this trade and I'm going to pass it with, yeah, 15K profit. So I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to move it. But I set it right here. However, remember the take profit, you set it how far it went. So you would set the take profit around right there. So this would be your take profit. Okay. And you set your stop loss quite above how high or low it went into the order block last time. And bam. Now you have to take note as well. This is always going to be a 1 to 5 trade. You always want 1 to 5 or more. If it doesn't fit the 1 to 5 description, you do not take the trade. This takes a lot of patience. You're doing it on the 1 hour time frame. Okay? You need to have patience. And you can also look at the higher time frame as well and do analysis for yourself. 4 hour day, right? Especially if you know ICT concepts, this will help you out a lot. So back to the trade, right? So now enter in here on the start of the order block, take profit here, and that's it. Okay, this has a huge win rate. You can backtest this for yourself. So I know this might get boring for those people who like want dopamine off the top of right off the bat, but this isn't one of those videos. I'm not gonna edit this or anything, and if I do edit it, I'm not gonna do nothing crazy, right? I'm just giving out value. So let me actually find another example. Perfect, right here. Okay. So I don't know if this will fit the 1 to 5 description, but we will see. So let me grab my circle tool. Sorry. I grabbed my circle tool. So it goes all the way up here before it comes back and touches the order block again. All right. And then, by the way, watch till the end of the video because I'll give you something actually pretty cool. I have a free course, free mentorship, all of that. I don't sell anything. This is all given for free. So this is where it touched. This is how high it went. So you have to make sure you go long right there. Put it a little bit below. Yeah, we can do right there. Let's see here. Will this fit the 1 to 5 description? No, it won't. So this would not be a valid trade if it does not fit the 1 to 5 description. Remember, we don't take these. You could do a 1 to 3 if you want to, but I do very high profits only. So let's find another one. By the way, these setups take a long time to find. This is why my watch list is filled like this, because I take one of these setups like every 2 days. So if you want to copy this, you can go ahead and copy it. It'll be very valuable to you. It works on any pair. Let's go to a different pair. Let's see. I think I have some lined up for AUDJPY. I think it is. Let's see here. Do I have one lined up? No. Be patient with me. Hold on. Give me a little bit of time. Okay, here. This is perfect. This is in. No, actually, nah. No. Because that was news. By the way, you don't trade this during news. So let's cover that. You don't trade this during news. You don't trade it if it's more than a 1 to 5. And you don't trade it if higher time frame analysis is going against your direction. All right. You have to be very patient with this. Okay, here. This is a future setup I'm looking for. And this is actually a setup I could have taken. I set an alert for it. Why didn't I take it? Oh my God. Okay. Oh, that's why. All right. The reason why I didn't take it is because it didn't hit the order block. See? Right there. Didn't hit it. So I'm just waiting on the second touch. Here it hit. So now I'm waiting for it to hit again right here. But first, I'm going to take this setup because see, it already hit the order block one time here. So I'm going to wait for this to come. This is a 1 to 9 trade, guys. Remember, this strategy is very good. So I set an alert right here a little bit before it hits. Set the stop loss very, very low from how far it went to the order block last time. Set the TP all the way up here. Okay. And now I'm waiting for that setup. But that's how the strategy works. Backtest it on yourself backtest it yourself because I can't find any of past times right now. And if I can, I'm using the indicator right now. So let me try another order block indicator. Order block. By the way, only use Sonar Lab. I like Sonar Lab. Sonar Lab order block. Right here. Order block with signals by Sonar Lab. If you have trouble finding order blocks, which I do. God. This is very, very annoying. You get the point, right? I'm sure there's a lot of order blocks that I can't see here because it's turned into breaker blocks. But because the indicator doesn't actually show you everything. So you have to put like multiple on, fortunately. I suck at spotting order blocks. It's my greatest weakness. But see, this is another setup I'm waiting for. It went into the order block and went all the way down here. You set your stop loss quite below, and then you set it how high it went. So it's still going. This is a 1 to 16 trade. And by the way, please note that a 1 to 5 trade, usually from what I've seen, takes about 2 days to finish. So if you don't have patience, I wouldn't trade the strategy. If you want to do like 5 minutes, you can go ahead. But this is very profitable. I like it. I haven't lost with it yet. Let's see here. Did it hit? Aha, it did. Okay. Yep. Okay. So here we have another setup. By the way, I won't edit anything for you guys. You're gonna have to just stay and watch my absolute clueless. So here is going to be how high it went. This is a crazy trade. You go how high it went before it actually hit the order block again. That's where you set your take profit. So go here, you take a long position. Oh, let's do this one actually. This is a much, yeah. But you could also take this setup too. So I'll just finish this one first. So you go here, and then you go into the order block, set your stop loss below how much it went last time, very much below. So you take profit right there. This is a nice 1 to 9 trade, and ta-da, right there. It'll take you a while, but it does hit. Backtest it yourself. Let's do another one. All right. So here the order block is hit. And I have a risk management video coming right after this for this exact strategy. And then this is how I went before it hit the order block again, the swing high. You're targeting swing highs, all right? And did it? Yep. So you go here. You're going to take a long right here. Remember, this is the order block right here, okay? And then you target the swing high. And bam, right there. On this candle, it hit. Okay, this is a very simple strategy, but you do have to wait so long. I already passed, well, I'm going to pass the 100K account with 2 trades, maybe 3, and then I'm going to make a video about that just to prove my validity even more. And I'm also going to be showing a separate video literally right after this one of the first trade I took and the second trade I'm on. So I will see you on the next clip. All right, so this is the next clip, and this is just to prove that I'm actually not lying. I'll refresh again if you want me to. Right there. All right. Here is the profit. This was the first trade. I made 5 grand on the first trade. Okay. It was the very first trade, as you can see right here. It was on USD CAD, which I showed. This one right here. And I'm also on another trade right here, GBP USD. All right. I plan to pass this within 2 trades. Here was the actual entry. Here is the target. Okay. Right there. Well, I put it a little bit lower because that's all I need is a 1 to 5 to pass the challenge. So once this hits, if it hits, which the strategy has a high win rate, so I most likely will, I will make a video about that. That's pretty much all I had to show you, so you didn't actually see, be like, oh damn, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. So you backtest it yourself, try it out, and I promise you, you will do great. Open up my channel, click on my profile, and you'll almost likely have the risk management strategy out as well by then. And you can view how you can make 100% on your account in like about 2 months. All you need is 10 winning trades, and I will show you the math behind it. I'll show you the thought behind it, and it will change your life. Subscribe to support the channel. Like, comment, share this video, bro. It's an absolute gold mine. I don't know how many people are going to watch it, but I do hope a lot. Goodbye. Oh, and by the way, I also forgot to mention, I do have a community Discord. Like I said, this was raw and uncut, so I didn't script it. So I did forget to mention that, but you can go ahead and join it in my bio. I'll most likely put it in the comments and everything. That's with the free course, right, that I told you about early in the video. So that's all I need to do now. That's all I need to say.